Hello, good afternoon. My name is Henrique Vasconcelos. I am 30 years old. I am from Manaus, Amazonas. I like too much your work and I like your podcast. Congratulations, Lexi and Foster. And I try to learn a little bit every time. When was the Sound School 3.0? I tried to make my inscription, but I couldn't. And now everything's okay. I have a baby, 6 months. Because of this, I didn't start the course because in the beginning it's too hard. So, I am a medicine doctor. I am intensivist. I work too much. I have, and after I finish my graduation, and then I make a specialization we call residence. I don't know if the same name in USA. And I always like business. I am an entrepreneur. I don't know if the correctly pronunciation. And I planning to move to USA. Actually, I always have this vontade to go. And after my baby born, I decided I have like 1-2 years to move to there. So I opened a company. We are selling Amazonian stuff. I don't know if you know Amazonia. I think it's difficult to have people remember the Amazonia from when you talk about Brazil. Always people remember about São Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, and Manaus, Amazonas, and the north. People forget. They only knows Amazonia. So I had a company in USA, in Orlando. We are selling acai berry. It's a purple superfruit Amazon, and we have other stuff like cupuaçu, sour soap, we call graviola, and passion fruit. This stuff is like ice cream, but it's not ice cream. It's called sorbet. It's ice cream with no milk. So I start this course because I have to improve my English, I have to improve my pronunciation. My vocabulary is poor. I'm trying to study a little bit more, and I believe in your work and your methodology, English for humans and things like this. I'm sorry about I'm late with my presentation video, and I will do everything I think correctly to improve and do the right stuff. So I think this, and thank you very much. Bye bye.